Yo, what's going on, traders? Today is Thursday, May 21st. It is currently 9:23 in the morning, which means the market opens up in around seven minutes. There isn't such a clear direction in the market this morning. U.S. job claims came out. There's some data in Europe and China about, it was bad data, but some suggest that, it's kind of flattening out, but I don't see a clear direction in the market, even though SPY is trading down, or the futures were trading down a little bit today. I think that SPY will finish higher for the day. In the morning, I'm going to take small sizes just to test out the market, but once I have a clear direction, I'll probably size up. I will pause it here until the market opens. Okay, market is officially open. We'll see how stuff wants to react off the open. Okay, I'm watching Square here under 79 if it wants to come down. Okay, I'm going to hop in there. I'm in 5 shares at 79.09. And we'll see if it wants to break $79. It was a little premature of an entry, but we'll see what wants to happen. I like how it moved down, tried to go higher, failed to go higher. So I'm looking for it to keep coming down here now. Stop will be at the highs around 79.77, so looking for around 70 cents a share. See what it wants to do. Okay, there's some nice downward pressure. Some buyers at 79. Okay, there's 79. Just watching this buyers. Okay, there's the buyers coming under 79. Let's see if the sellers want to come down now. Some buyers stepping up to support it. Okay, push it back up 79. Market's curling back here. See if it wants to get under 79. Okay, there's the buyers coming back under. More buyers stepping back in. Okay, I'm gonna take 4 shares off here. I just took 4 shares off there. The market looks like it wants to come higher, and I don't really like what's happening. We'll see what it wants to do, but I think it wants to make a new high. Yeah. I'm going to put a stop on the last year for 79.80. I think it's going to trigger me right there. Okay, I'm all out there for an 86-cent loser. Market's moving higher, just somewhat expected. I'm going to pause it there and see what else I can find. Okay, I'm watching AZN here, over 56.87. I want to see some sort of confirmation from the market first. even though AZN looks pretty good. All right, I'm going to hop in here. I'm in for 10 shares at 56.87. I think he wants to make a new high. The stop will be around 56.58, around 30 cents. Let's see if it wants to break 57. Okay, there's a nice move higher. Volume coming in. Okay, there's a break at 57. Okay, getting ready to cover 8 shares. I need to have a pullback. All right, I'm just gonna cover there. It's a little quick, but I want to lock in profits. I don't want to end the day red, so just locked in there. That's a nice push. All right, I'm going to set my stop at 56.99. So I still have 2 more shares on the table, but if it wants to run and pay the bills, I'll take that. But stop is at 56.99, and we'll see what it wants to do. I'll pause here, and if I find another stock I like, then I will resume. All right, I just got stopped out for the remaining 2 shares, so I finished up on AZN $1.78. I'm fine with that. I'm a little nervous to trade the market right now, so I'm going to kind of relax for a little bit, let the market make a clear decision on what it wants to do. And once I have more of a clear direction on the market, then I might take another trade. But as of now, I will be just sitting back and watching. I think the market wants to come down a little bit here now, and then once it pulls back, we'll see if it wants to go higher or go lower. All right, so I hopped in short 2 shares of NVDA. I think it wants to come down. If we take a look at the daily here, it is so extended, and I just think that's not sustainable and has to come down. And NVIDIA is still moving down as the market's moving higher. So I don't think this trade will materialize right away. I think it will take some time throughout the day, but I got in short there. I have a good intuition on this, so I'm happy with taking the trade without the confirmation right up front because I will have it at a higher price, meaning I'll make more profit on it. So we'll see what it wants to do, but I think it's going to come down and I will make a nice profit on the day. I will pause here, and any update I will resume. Okay, I took 3 more shares short here, so I have a total of 5 shares short on NVIDIA. We'll see what it wants to do. This is kind of the critical point. I think market's getting ready to turn over here, which if it does, then I would expect NVIDIA to kind of come down with it. So there goes the market. The key point is around 359.40-ish. Okay, resuming here. It tried to move higher when above 359 to 360. Now it's back to 359, 40s and 50s. Okay, I think this could be it. Again, the market wants to come down as well, which should bring NVIDIA down. What I liked about NVIDIA, just to walk you through the trade, is if you look at the daily chart, which we did, but take a look at it again. Since May 4th, it was at $280. Right now, it's around $359. And, 5/15, May 15th, it went from 314 to about 338. And that's just unsustainable. And there really hasn't been massive profit taking. So I'm looking for a nice kind of move down. There's a break of 359.40. That's what I wanted to see. So I'm taking advantage. What I'm essentially doing is the people who went long on the stock and bought NVIDIA and made a nice amount of profit when it moved up, they probably want to sell the stock and lock in their profits. So what I'm doing is I'm the person who's providing them that liquidity. I'm allowing them to sell the stock so they can lock in their profits. And my win is that I'm taking a short position, meaning I think the stock will go down as people take in profits and sell, and I make money when the stock goes down. So it's really a win-win situation for both of us. And there's a break of 359. Market's coming down. So this is a pattern I typically trade. It's a descending pattern where you see a period of consistent lower highs, meaning the buyers keep trying to go up and they get slowly chipped away. So it's like a little staircase going down. And there's a solid support level at a base. So it goes down and down and down and down and down until there's a critical point where it can't go up and it just comes down. And that's what I like to see. So yeah, that was my thought process behind it. We'll see what it wants to do. The market, SPY, looks like it's starting to come down a little bit, which will help. I will pause it here and resume later. Okay, so the stock did come down. I just took a partial at around 357. I didn't record it because I had music playing in the background. I don't know if I can play music because of YouTube copyright, but I have one share left on the table. I'm going to set a stop just to cover it if the stock price goes above 359.25. So let's go ahead and set that. Okay, so the stop is set. So if the price goes above 359.25 or at 359.25, I will cover my last share. If this wants to run as well, perfect. But I'm going to pause it here. I might be done trading for the day. We'll see if anything comes up, I will resume. But I think I'm going to call it here. So yeah. Okay, I just got stopped out there for the rest of my shares. So I'm finishing the day up on NVIDIA $8.95, which is my biggest winner. We also traded AZN, which was another winner of $1.78. And then we traded Square, which was my loser, for 86 cents. So not that bad. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like so the YouTube algorithm can pick it up. Comment down below what you traded today and if it was a red or a green day. And of course, subscribe to my channel because every subscription is another step for me on my road to financial freedom. I will see you tomorrow for Friday's day trade.